All right, thank you so much for coming over here. And in fact, it's a great pleasure that my old friends, best friends, my brothers, everybody is over here. And it's really, I really appreciate you coming over here. And in fact, we are going to start a very good project, and that is farming project. Farming project we are going to start it together. And this is one of the best projects, and for that I would say that the land is also fertile, and accommodation is also, a lot of accommodation is also available. And furthermore, we have got such a good friends, I would say, we can really join hands, and we will surely will make it very pleasant and a very successful project, and it will be managed properly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Ron, if you want to say something. Yeah. Yes, Mr. Ron.